Welcome to our channel Kidslore TV.
Hello friends, today we're learning words that start with the letter B. Let's begin. Ball. B is for ball. Can you say ball? Banana. B is for banana. Can you say banana? Butterfly. B is for butterfly. Can you say butterfly? Bear. B is for bear. Can you say bear? Bus. B is for bus. Can you say bus? Book. B is for book. Can you say book? Boat. B is for boat. Can you say boat? Baby. B is for baby. Can you say baby? Bird. B is for bird. Can you say bird? Balloon. B is for balloon. Can you say balloon? Awesome job! You're a B word superstar. You've learned so many B letter words today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next one. Subscribe, please.